Hello friends, I came up with another video in the video series of English idioms. Hope you enjoyed first two videos. If you didn't, go through the links in the description box. In this video, I'll go with the second idiom. Hit the hay. Do you want to hit the hay? No, you can't. You have to stay with me. Just kidding. Okay. The meaning is in the first picture or in the second picture. What do you think? If you think it's in the first picture, no, you're wrong. Yes, it is in the second picture. That means you want to go to bed or you want to sleep. To further understand this, let's see some examples. We want to stay a bit longer, but our mother says, "Kids, it's getting late, time to hit the hay." When you text your friend and you get the reply, "It's getting late, I think I'm going to hit the hay." And after finishing all of your work, you say, "Just finished all my work. I'm tired, so I'm going to hit the hay early tonight." What Devni says? She says, "After a long day of hiking, I was so exhausted that I couldn't wait to hit the hay." And your colleague says, "I have been working on my project all day. I'm going to hit the hay and tackle the rest tomorrow." Now you know, we can use the idiom hit the hay in an informal situation to say go to bed or go to sleep in an indirect way. In the next video, you can learn the next idiom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and share with your friends. Have a good day.